Hello and welcome to a short video tutorial on a couple of keyboard shortcuts for Google Drive. My name is Tyler Osborne. So there's two keyboard shortcuts I really think you should be using in your Google Drive. You should teach your students and you should use them yourself. And I'm going to demonstrate them right now inside of one of my folders. So the first one that I wanted to show you was how to toggle in between list view and like thumbnail view. So if you have a folder open and you press the V key, you can toggle back and forth. Sometimes when I have really large folders, it's easier to find what I'm looking for through list view, but it can also be really useful to see that little mini preview in the thumbnail view. So pressing the V key back and forth will open either the list view or the thumbnail view. Now, if you wanted to preview a file, this is the other keyboard shortcut. A really quick keyboard shortcut is click on the file and then press P, and it'll bring up right away the preview of the file. To get out of this without touching your key or without touching your mouse, press the escape key. So we can do that with a whole bunch of different files. So you're going to P, you get the preview of the file, press escape to get out. You want to see a document, press P, gives you the preview of the document, press escape to get out. So again, those two keyboard shortcuts were the V key, and you can just press it to either toggle list view or thumbnail view, or the P key to get a preview, and then escape. If you like this video, please consider leaving some feedback on my website using the Google form, or better yet, leave a comment in the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.